Hey guys, today we're going to talk about data warehouse. The data warehouse is a storage facility which is used for collection and managing data from various sources to draw meaningful insights for the business. In other words, data warehouse systems are real-time repositories of information which are likely to be tied to specific applications. It gathers data from multiple sources which include databases, with an emphasis on storing, filtering, retrieving, and in particular, analyzing huge quantities of organized data. Now, need for a data warehouse. There are several reasons for the need for data warehouses. We will discuss it one by one. Number 1 is improving the time for analysis and reporting. Data warehouses are essential for business users to access critical data faster from a single source, enabling them to make quick decisions without going through different sources. The executives can query the data themselves with minimal or no support from IT, which in turn saves money and time. Number 2 is historical data storage. The data warehouse's main purpose is to store large amounts of legacy data over a long period of time for businesses to do various analyses, like time period analysis, trend analysis, and trend forecasts. Number 3 is performance optimization. Data warehouses are structured and indexed to optimize performance. Techniques include indexing, partitioning, and materialized views to ensure that analytical queries are processed efficiently. Number 4 is scalability. Organizations grow, and the volume of data they generate and need to analyze also increases. Data warehouses are designed to scale horizontally and vertically, accommodating the growing data needs of an organization. That's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.